We're here at the Trillium Dam Day Use area here in Mount Hood National Forest, Oregon. And it is just around sunrise, October 24th, 2024. And let's go take a look at this beautiful area. Loving the fall colors of the trees across the way. And look at that, my friend. The gorgeous, incredible, beautiful, mighty Mount Hood. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm loving the ethereal fog mist coming off the Trillium Lake. Let's walk this way. Again, this is the Trillium Dam Day Use area. That is a beautiful sight. Little bridge here, footbridge. And this is definitely the shoreline with the money shot of Mount Hood. Look at that. Gosh, that is gorgeous. You got a picnic table over there, day use site. This is not a camping area. This is a day use area. And I know this is a very popular shoreline right here. Hang out here and just enjoy this majestic view. This is one of the best views in the entire Mount Hood area, at least this quadrant of the Mount Hood National Forest. Oh, look at this. Look at this. You've got a single, looks like maybe duck right there on Trillium Lake, creating its own ripples. This is majestic. This is a destination-worthy day use site. And this is very high quality. And interesting the way this infrastructure is designed. Like these cylindrical cages. Very interesting. You can see it looks like a wooden edifice dock straight ahead. Oh, this is gorgeous. This, my friend, is Mountain Lake Forest Serenity. And this is a pretty long, extended shoreline too, so that's nice. I'm pretty blown away by these views. Mount Hood is spectacular. That is the tallest mountain in the great state of Oregon. Well over 11,000 feet. Very nice. And you still got some light snow on the side of Mount Hood. More infrastructure here, interesting. Let me stop here. Oh, this is gorgeous. And we're almost to the end of the line. The mountain's starting to fall behind the forest. Now this, my friend, is a mountain lake forest wonderland. Let me pan over here. I'm at the Trillium Lake Dam Day Use area. And look at how absolutely beautiful this is. Oh, this is gorgeous. Seeing some ethereal fog, some mist coming off the lake. It's a bit of a hauntingly beautiful quality. You can see the wooden edifice dock straight ahead there on the right. We've got a lot of great infrastructure. We've got it's like a duck coming up to say hello. Good morning, sir. And you have this beautiful shoreline to our left. And you've even got a day use picnic area to your right there, up against glorious Mount Hood National Forest. This duck does not appear concerned about my presence. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. The beautiful, incredible Trillium Lake, framed by the tallest mountain in the great state of Oregon. Beautiful Mount Hood. Oh, this is gorgeous. I gotta say, this is a pretty high quality day use area. This is destination worthy in itself. Today is October 24th, 2024. It's just after sunrise. It's about 29 degrees. It's a little chilly. We're right in that transition where it's gonna start snowing in the next week. So from my look at the calendar, today is actually the last day of the season, the fall season, where you're not gonna start having a snow accumulation. So wanted to get one last look, come out here, enjoy the beauty that is Mount Hood, framed by the ethereal Trillium